Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best needlepoint kit is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding hobbies you can pick up, offering a wonderful escape from the daily grind and a chance to create something beautiful with your own hands. Whether you're a complete beginner looking to try something new or an experienced crafter seeking a portable project, these kits provide everything you need to get started on a delightful journey of artistic expression and mindful creation. Number 5. Vellostar Portable Sewing Kit. Discover a comprehensive mending kit designed for convenience. It comes with everything you need, neatly organized in a durable case, so you can find the right tool in seconds. Handle unexpected wardrobe malfunctions with ease. This kit is perfect for quick repairs like reattaching buttons or fixing small tears, whether you're at home or traveling. Take it anywhere, from your luggage to your backpack or desk. It's ideal for any situation, ensuring you're always prepared for life's little emergencies. Designed for simplicity, even if you're new to sewing. Our easy-to-follow guide makes basic repairs straightforward and stress-free. This compact and practical kit makes a thoughtful gift. It's perfect for students, travelers, or anyone who appreciates being ready for anything. It includes high-quality polyester threads, perfect for ensuring your clothing repairs are both long-lasting and suitable for everyday wear. Everything is kept securely in place within its robust shell and strong elastic bands. This ensures your tools are protected and easy to access whenever you need them. What we like. This kit is perfect for emergency repairs on the go. If you are always traveling or need quick fixes for your clothes, this is the one for you. It's designed for anyone who wants to be prepared for unexpected wardrobe malfunctions. What people say. This kit is a great value for the money because of the contents of the kit. It contains tons of thread colors, many different types of needles, thimbles, scissors. This is so compact and complete it has become my travel go-to. Everything you need to mend, every color thread included, sew on buttons, do a quick hem etc. is at your fingertips. Great variety of color threads. I bought this kit for travel. Very happy with contents. Several size needles included with needle threader and small scissors. Number 4. Caydo 3 Sets Cross-Stitch Kits for Beginners. Discover the joy of cross-stitching with our complete beginner kits. Everything you need is included to start creating beautiful art right away. Each set comes with pre-printed fabric in 3 lovely floral designs, embroidery hoops, threads, needles, and clear instructions. It's a perfect all-in-one package. Designed with beginners in mind, our kits guide you through every step. Learn to handle threads, follow patterns, and finish your project with ease. Once completed, these charming embroidered pieces can be framed in the included hoops. They make wonderful decorations for your living room or bedroom. Looking for a special present? A finished DIY embroidery piece is a thoughtful and unique gift for friends and family. Share your creativity with loved ones. Choose from 3 popular and beautiful flower patterns to suit your taste. Please note, the pattern ink will disappear with water, so avoid moisture until you're finished. What we like. This set offers a variety of beautiful floral patterns for a relaxing crafting experience. If you enjoy creating decorative pieces for your home or looking for a mindful hobby, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want to create art to display. What people say. Good pattern if you're starting out. Very easy. The colors are nice and you get a ton of floss. Beautiful, complete, easy embroidery kits. The kits came in well packed in a big sturdy plastic, then 3 smaller bags for each design. Everything is there, nothing is missing, the threads are separated and coded, 2 needles for each design, 3 hoops. Number 3. Beginner Cross-Stitch Kits for Kids. Discover our amazing cross-stitch kits, perfect for beginners and young crafters. They are designed to be fun and easy to use. Each kit features 5 charming pre-printed patterns that girls will love, including hearts, unicorns, cats, rainbows, and owls. These kits are designed for beginners, making it simple and quick to create beautiful embroidered pieces. Follow the easy step-by-step instructions. Inside, you'll find everything needed to get started: hoops, pre-printed canvas, needles, and high-quality cotton threads. All materials are safe for children. Looking for a special gift? These kits come in a beautiful box, making them an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for the special girls in your life. We are confident in the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues, please contact us to ensure your crafting experience is perfect. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for children and beginners with fun, easy-to-complete patterns. If you're looking for a gift for a young aspiring crafter or a fun activity to do with kids, this is a great option. It's perfect for sparking creativity in children. What people say. Everything she needs is in this kit, including printed patterns, beautiful colors of thread, needle, and a hoop for each project. Every pattern is small and able to be accomplished easily. Plus the pattern is printed in color to show her where to begin and how to proceed. Kit contains all necessary supplies. 9 years old learned quickly and completed first project in a few hours. It comes with everything you need to learn and complete. It was a great price and the quality isn't too bad for what you're getting. The size of the project is nice and manageable. It is also nice how the project is printed in color on the material. Number 2. Kissbuty 3-pack Floral Embroidery Starter Kit. This is a valuable hand embroidery set, offering everything you need to create beautiful embroidery pieces. With this kit, you can complete a lovely embroidery project with ease. Inside, you'll find 3 bamboo embroidery hoops, pre-stamped fabric with patterns, a variety of colorful threads, and all the necessary tools. It's a complete package for your crafting needs. The fabric comes with pre-designed floral plant patterns in color, which are incredibly helpful for beginners. Once you're finished, the pattern can be easily washed away. Our embroidery hoops feature a brass adjustment screw. This allows you to tighten the fabric, ensuring it stays taut like a drum for a smooth stitching experience. This needlepoint kit makes a wonderful gift for family and friends. Creating finished DIY embroidery projects together is a truly special and meaningful way to spend time. What we like. Get great value with this multi-pack, offering everything you need to start embroidering. If you want to share the crafting experience with friends or family, or simply want multiple projects to work on, this is a fantastic deal. It's suitable for those who enjoy group activities or want variety. What people say. The embroidery floss held up pretty well. These also came with the wooden hoops, which look nicer than the plastic ones. The embroidery floss has a nice sheen which make the final product look very nice. Some of the other kits have dull floss of poor quality and you can really tell the difference. The fabric, strands and needles are solid, the colors are accurate and the result is amazing. Number 1. Craftiloo Pre-Stamped Embroidery Kit for Kids. Introducing a fun and easy way for children to explore the world of embroidery. This kit is designed to make learning simple and enjoyable from the very first stitch. Unlike other kits, ours features pre-stamped, colorful patterns. This means kids can start stitching right away, enjoying a smooth and rewarding creative experience without the frustration. This complete set includes 10 fun designs, colorful threads, hoops, needles, and threaders. We even provide video tutorials to guide them through every step, making learning stress-free. Embroidery is more than just a craft. It helps develop fine motor skills, sparks creativity, and teaches patience. It's a wonderful way for kids to build confidence as they create adorable projects. Looking for a unique gift or a fun screen-free activity? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, parties, or just a relaxing craft session. It's great for ages 7 and up. We are committed to providing high-quality craft kits with easy-to-follow instructions and support. Learning embroidery has never been simpler or more enjoyable. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides numerous colorful designs and helpful video guides for an engaging learning process. If you are looking for a way to introduce kids to a new skill that builds confidence and fine motor abilities, this is the perfect educational tool. It's ideal for fostering creativity and patience in young learners. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to get started, with clear instructions and pre-sorted threads. The finished product is beautiful and looks exactly like the picture on the box. The fabric is high quality and easy to work with, making the stitching process enjoyable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.